Hi guys, Nikki here. Hope you're all well. Thanks for joining me today. So that pretty colour there is This Little Piggy Afterglow, a neon peachy pink with a lovely gold shimmer. It's one of the new pigments which are going to be released on the 25th and 26th of June, depending where you are in the world. And this one is Show Pony, also one of the new colours. Again, it's shimmery. It's a lovely hot pink. Beautiful colour. And I'm using TLP Sequins, which is an interference violet. And there, that's the afterglow. The Show Pony. And this is Interference Blue, but this is by Paper Mill Pigments. TLP's is called Velvet. They're Interference Blue, which I don't have that one, so I've used that one. But all brands do interference colours. And the turquoise is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. My cell activator is just white today. It's my 50-50 mix of Atelier Titanium White and Amsterdam Titanium White, with just Australian Floetrol, no silicone, nothing else added, just paint and Australian Floetrol. I don't measure, but if I had to guess, I would say it's around about 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to paint. But all these details are in the description box below. All my paints in full, where you can get them from, which is fluid-art.co. And yeah, everything is listed as a link to my paint mixing video. Just click on the video title and it will take you straight to the description box. Or you can click on the down arrow and that also takes you there. You'll also find the link to the Shelley Art e-course and my discount code, which will get you 15% off. So yeah, check it out if you want to know anything. So, okay, I'll come back to you later.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
I'm so happy with how this has turned out. You saw me hesitating with the skewer because I wanted it to look like a flower, but when you've done the swipe, it's hard to visualize where you need to do the skewer when you wreck it, and I didn't want to wreck it too much because you can, and then you just lose the whole structure of it. But yeah, I'm happy with it. So if you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And thanks for all the lovely comments you leave. I'm really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon, guys. Thank you. Bye.